The iPACT app system could be used with learners of any age or ability. If you're using the iPACT with elementary school children, middle or high school students, lessons can be created for any subject area, such as math, science, social studies, or English language arts. Let's look at a language arts example for the children's book, Grady Gets Glasses by Dee Dee Rittman, using the methodology of the PACT framework with the iPACT app system. To teach the vocabulary of the book, let's navigate to the Learn About module. Key concepts and corresponding definitions were identified and set up in the instructional category of Look Up Vocabulary Words in one of the glossaries using Glossary List 1. In the left panel, you can see that one of the educational standards in this lesson is to determine the meaning of words and phrases using reference tools. This glossary list displays the topic of instruction, a vocabulary word, vocabulary image, and corresponding definition to teach word meaning. 2 vocabulary listings are displayed on each page of this glossary. The text is accessible through either the iPad text-to-speech option, or you can simply add a voice recording to each of the targets. Here's an example of my recordings for the first vocabulary item. Grady, a rabbit who wears glasses and is the main character of the book. Annotation and study tools are available throughout the iPACT by selecting the pencil located in the top right. Instructors or students can highlight or mark and underline in their lessons. Annotations can stay with the activity automatically or can be cleared. The activities in the iPACT can be enlarged to zoom in on a particular activity component as well. Now, this activity can then be converted to other vocabulary building activities at different levels, meaning I can transfer the content from this activity in the iPACT to a different one without creating it from scratch. Let's do it so you can see how it works. Go to the Sharing and Options menu in the top right corner and select Convert Activity. As you can see, there is an extensive list of compatible templates and activities that you can convert to within the same module and also to different modules of the PACT. Let's convert Grady Gets Glasses, Glossary 1, to a glossary list that displays more than 2 vocabulary listings per page. I will select Glossary 5. The iPACT automatically renames your activity. Simply go to the Setup mode to adjust your text size to your new template activity if needed, and it is ready to use with a student at a different ability level. I will make my words smaller by selecting the small a. And my definitions a bit smaller. And now the activity is ready to use. Now I wish to create some flashcards. I will tap the Sharing and Options menu in the top right and select Convert Activity. I will tap Flashcards 1. This will transfer all my content to the flashcards template. I go to Setup and adjust my text size for this new activity The word cards in the entire flashcard deck are now auto-sized, and the definitions across the entire deck are now auto-sized. How did I create content to create an activity in the iPACT? Well, let me show you quickly. I select my setup mode, which I am in, tap my target, and select what I need to do. How about we add a video to these flashcards? I tap Choose a Video. The iPACT then accesses all the videos that are located on this device and iPad, and tap the video you wish to add. Start your activity. Now, videos play full screen in the iPACT, and you also have annotation tools available to laser focus your instruction. Let's watch our video on Grady.
Grady. Learn about Grady gets glasses.
I tap the screen to pause the video. My pencil tool is in the upper right corner, and I may want to draw attention to the red glasses in the video. I can now circle it, have a discussion, close my pencil tool, tap the screen again, and my video resumes.
I am Special Rabbit and Grady is my name. G-R-A-D-Y, 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 and Grady is my name. Yoo-hoo!
We could also shuffle these flashcards in random order by going to the Sharing and Options menu and selecting Shuffle Content. Now, what if I want my students to play a game? I can convert any activity to one of the games in the iPACT as well, and so on and so on. You're probably thinking, is it really that simple? Well, yes, it has to be, right? All of us have very little prep time to create materials, and this is what we need. It really is that easy.